Alright everybody, welcome back. Today's the day we get to build up the Trek finally. But before we get started, I got something to ask of all you. If you haven't already, click that button down in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to the channel. We just surpassed 375 subscribers, on our way to 400, and then on to 1,000. And once we reach 1,000, I'm giving this GoPro away to one of my lucky 1,000 subscribers. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'm not going to go into too much detail bit by bit about what's going on this bike. The majority of the parts going on to this bike are going to be takeoff parts from my Fuel EX, as well as some new parts I had to order, such as the fork and the crank set, and some parts off the fat bike too that I've swapped out over the time. Let's get this built up and see how she looks. Alright, first things first, let's put the cassette on. In, cranks go on next. Now it's time for the pedals. Get the headset greased up and it's time to put the fork in.
Video?
Yeah, don't worry about it though. Next up, stem and bars. Alright, let's get some cockpit controls in here and we'll keep moving along. Next up, brakes. I'm going to put them on the middle hole there for the spring. We'll just see how it goes from there. Onto the derailleur. Alright, let's get the wheels on this thing. Alright, brake cable's next. So a bit of a snafu, the brake cable that came with this isn't long enough for the back brake, but I'm wondering if I have it mixed up with the front brake cable. Let's find out. Alright, luckily I have another cable that's long enough, but I ran into another problem. We're missing a bolt. We'll figure it out though. I have the bolt for the front caliper, but for whatever reason this Amazon package decided not to give me the back one. Alright, got the back brake figured out. Won't be able to do the front brake tonight because I'm missing this bolt right here, so I'll have to go pick one of those up tomorrow. But it works. Let's clip it off, crimp it, and let's put the drivetrain on before we do the front brake, and we can always get that done tonight. Got the new bolt here when the Canadian Tire found the bolt for these brakes, so now the front brakes are working. Back brakes are working. My shifter is working. Chainring is on. The seat is on. The bars are on. We just got to secure the controls in the positions we like, but it's done. Alright, so that's it. We got it built. I'm really happy with how this turned out. We got it all washed up, got the chain cleaned up, got it shifting proper. All that's left to do is go ride it. But you'll have to wait till the next video to see that, because we're about to get a rainstorm and I'm not about to go out and get soaked right now. Let me know what you guys thought of this build, what you think of some of the components on there. We're going to get into detail on what the components are on the next video. But until then, rewatch this one, go watch some of the other ones. You guys know what to do. Ride on.